Everyone is talking about ChatGPT. Everyone is using ChatGPT, but is everyone aware of the dangers regarding ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer that uses chat from users just like you and me to help build coherent and contextually relevant information for us. We ask it questions, it provides us with information that is fairly straightforward and pretty safe, isn't it? After you have used ChatGPT, you will start to see things on the left side of the screen. This is a record of what you have asked or discussed with ChatGPT. At first glance, this may seem quite normal. After all, you're having a conversation, right? And after all, it is always nice to be able to pick up where you left off in a conversation too, isn't it? The first problem in all this is the simple fact that ChatGPT is collecting and processing all of this data that we provide to it. Right down here, well, your email is there. You see, you have to be logged in to ChatGPT to be able to use ChatGPT. And well, this makes sense, doesn't it? By default, ChatGPT uses the history of messages and questions you have sent to train and improve its models. But is that safe and secure? Well, for me, I think I prefer to err on the side of caution and not allow all of that data to be stored, and I use ChatGPT in incognito mode. Now, I'm not talking about incognito mode in your browser. In ChatGPT, if you click on the three little dots down there by your email, you will get a menu. In that menu, click on Settings, then click on Data Controls. Now you will see the chat history and training toggle. You can simply turn this off and voila, you are now in ChatGPT incognito mode. All is good, right? ChatGPT still has all of your conversations stored within its system to better help you and to better help others. Ain't that nice? So what have you been talking to ChatGPT about lately? Well, in this screen, you can export all of your conversations with ChatGPT, which seems to be pretty handy. It will email you a report with all of those conversations. But what if there was something you don't want recorded in ChatGPT? What do you do then? Well, go back to your email on the main screen, click on it, and you will see Clear Conversations. If you click on that, it will bring up a sub-menu with a check mark next to Confirm Clear Conversations. And if you click that, voila, all of your conversations are now cleared from ChatGPT, and you are now safe and secure, right? Now, if you don't want to clear them all out, well, you can also clear out individual chats in ChatGPT by just clicking on the trash can next to any of those. But for me, I don't want any history in my ChatGPT history, so keep them all cleared. And I always run ChatGPT in ChatGPT incognito mode, and that keeps me perfectly safe and secure, doesn't it? Not necessarily. You need to make sure you are very, very careful on what information you provide ChatGPT. It may seem to just be having an everyday conversation with you, like having coffee with a friend, but it is not that. It is a computer that stores and retrieves data on a colossal level. Never share any personal data with ChatGPT. This goes for usernames, email addresses, passwords, obviously, but it also goes for website URLs, special keys, logins, and other credentials for access to APIs, and the list goes on and on. Well, first off, ChatGPT doesn't openly tell us what they do with all of that data that they store about us and our most intimate conversations with ChatGPT. In fact, ChatGPT's privacy policy states it may collect personal information, account information, user content, communication information, social media information, log data, usage data, and device information, and they use cookies and analytics to improve its services and conduct research to develop programs and services to prevent fraud, criminal activity, and to comply with legal obligations and legal processes to protect their rights, privacy, safety, or property, and for that of their affiliates and other third parties. In reality, it is pretty much a standard privacy policy, but then again, in reality, the rules remain the same as with all online platforms. They are there to benefit them first and us second. Here is a scary thing that happened not too long ago. There was a little bug in ChatGPT that resulted in people seeing titles and other activity from other users' chat history, and it may have caused payment-related information to be visible for users who were active for a 9-hour period. Say what? Here is something else you need to worry about with ChatGPT. If there is public information about you out there on the old intraweb, well, ChatGPT may be providing all that information to others, and even scarier, if ChatGPT gets it wrong, well, who's to know? ChatGPT does have a form you can fill out if you want to correct information it has about you or to request that ChatGPT stops learning about you. I haven't tested that little feature, but I will leave a link down below to the form in case you want to check it out. Be wary of all third-party apps out there regarding ChatGPT. There are plenty of tools out there that help you use ChatGPT, but what additional info are they gathering to use for their benefit and the benefit of their affiliates? And when you wipe your data from ChatGPT, does it wipe it from those programs too? I highly doubt it. Now, if you want more information about the dark secrets of OSINT and artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, then check out this video.